Sounds of Soul is calling in new earth guardian leaders who are priestesses and all the magical beings. As we come together in our divine remembrance, we activate our light codes in our DNA and on Mama Gaia, activating the crystalline grids of consciousness for our planet. Sounds of Soul is for action takers, dream makers, and earth shakers. Pave a new way by connecting with your inner child and staying in your big play. As we peel back the layers, take off the mask, and let go of the old story that's been holding you back. Stand powerfully in your truth that lives inside you. Be your full authentic expression so your soul shines fully through. Be held, loved, seen, and heard in the highest light and fully supported through sisterhood for your dreams and visions. Sounds of Soul is for powerful women to fully be in your empowerment. Reclaim the divine within you and embrace the wholeness and fullness of who and what you are. Be the butterfly for the butterfly effect that creates a ripple of transformation for all of creation. Shine your light bright. Together we rise and remember our value and our worth, and we birth in our new earth. Join Sounds of Soul and awaken the new earth guardian leader within you now.